In today's tutorial I am going to talk about something very basic but extremely powerful inside Adobe Premiere Pro, and that is new bins. Professional editor organize their project properly, and that what makes beginners from real industry editor. So let's get started. Well, what is new? What is new bins? Well, a bin is basically a folder. A bin is basically a folder like it help you organize your audio, video, sequence, graphics, image, and so on. Think of it like a folder inside your computer, but inside your project panel. So let's say how to create a new bins. There are three simple ways to create new bins. Go to the project panel and click right, and then now click new bins. After that you can see a bin appear instantly, and this is the method number 1. And then let's say method number 2. Inside Adobe Premiere Pro, go to click the new bin icon at the bottom of the project panel. You can see here a button named new bins. After clicking it, you can see another one bins is appear immediately, and there are the number of three method you can use shortcut to create new bins. For Windows computer, you can you use for shortcut Ctrl B, and for Mac you can use you should use and you use for shortcut creating Command B. So I am using Windows computer, that's why I am using Ctrl B. So Ctrl B, and then now you can see my another new bin is appeared, and you can see currently I can rename it. Well, rename bins is very important. Use number in front to keep your bins automatically. So let's see how to rename our bins. Click the bin name, and then now we can rename the bin name. Let's say we use 01 underscore video. After that, next bin we can rename at the same way. After changing the first rename the first bin, and then I click enter, then automatically appear the bin to rename. So let's use 02 underscore image, and then next click enter, and then now you can see automatically this software Premiere Pro says rename rename also these bins. Let's 03 underscore, and then sound EWFCT effect. After that we can create bins inside bin. Yes, you can create bin inside bin. Let's for example you are editing a documentary or client project. There are 2 camera or 3 camera footage. So at first let's create a bin name of footage. After creating footage bin, go inside the footage bins. After that we can create, as well as we have created bins, we can also create like that. So let's say and the right after let's say CAME camera underscore 1, and then click new bins, CAME camera underscore 2, and then new bins B arrow and that's it. You can use and what's mistake beginners? Well, beginners import 100 beginners import immediately lots of footage or clips. For example, if you have 100 clips for your project, and beginners mostly mistake, they import everything. After sometimes after sometimes a project become messy, but professional editor don't do that. Professional editor take 2 or 5 minutes to create bins. After that, organize their clips properly. After creating bins, open a bins like a video or like image, and after opening current bin, you should import your clip. Let's say I'm going to import some image. Here are some image and drag here. You can see my image are all image are appear at the project panel inside 02 image. Well, so if you working with international agencies and organizing material lot, so that's why you as a professional editor you should always use this bin. It makes your project clean, faster to navigate, and easy to hand over and professional. And that's it. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more editing tips, and comment below what future you next one. So that's all today.